Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Oh, why do I want to sing that song so badly right now? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monia, and today, because it's Halloween, or sorry, it's not Halloween. It is October, and that means Halloween is right around the corner, and I love Halloween. Like, let me tell you. So because of that, I want to make 2 videos this time around. And the first costume will be Catwoman, which I have been for the past several years. It is just such a simple, easy, classic look. And every year I just put a fun twist to it. So last year, I think I'm at my limit because I'm trying to like now build out my next costume, which will be in the next video. But last year I got a real fucking 8-foot? Either like an 8 or 12-foot leather whip so it can like crack. That was the funnest shit ever. Oh my God. We went to my friend's house, and typically when you get leather, it's really stiff, even shoes, right? Or handbag or a belt. So what you do is you kind of have to like break it in with wear. Well, I got this whip 2 or 3 days before I was gonna go out to like a friend's house for dinner. And it was gonna be chill. We stayed in, made dinner, fucked around. It was fine. Like, it was super, super just laid back. I love it. And so I brought this whip as a toy for us to all crack the whip and break it in because it was just so like hard and stiff. Oh my God, her wall was completely marked up with like black streaks of leather because the whip is black. It is amazing. And I'll have to see if I can get a snap clip of it at the end in full costume attire to give you the full essence, baby, of me cracking the whip. So, as I said, I'm gonna be doing the classic Catwoman costume. This is not something I purchased online. I made the headband and the cat ears. I purchased the whip and the gloves from online. Everything else I kind of just put together, like leather leggings and a leather top and thigh highs. Like, it's just a sexy classic look. You can't go wrong with it. So I'm just gonna go about it. Sorry, I really needed to moisturize my face. Like, it's parched. I just washed my face after working out, doing a kickboxing class, and I'm like, my skin is like, okay, so we did the basics on the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and just do something very simple, give myself a little bit of depth, and then from there do a nice thick eyeliner. So because my costume or my Catwoman mask does have like a lace overlay on my face, I do want to make my makeup a little bit more dramatic, a little bit more deeper. Okay, so with the eye makeup, again, very simple. I'm just building depth to my eyes. So I'm just going with my go-to Charlotte Tilbury, the Super Nudes Easy Eye Palette. I just realized the sticker is really crooked. And I'm just gonna set it first with the lightest color in the palette. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to a slightly darker shade. It's like slightly brown, again, just to build out that depth. So this is the second shade I'm going into. This was the first shade. And then, I mean, do you really need to see me doing my brows on camera? No. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my cameras. It is too late. I'm like getting ready for bed right now, and I'm like charged up with all this energy and just happiness and love. And it's like, wow, this is awesome. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and bask in this love and happiness that I have in my life. Be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna build out the lower lash line just to make it a little bit more darker, make it more announced. So I'm just gonna kind of go up this shade range. Woo! Okay, so this is gonna be the most intimidating part for me, eyeliner. I don't know why I get so nervous when I do a thick cat eye, and I think it's because it has to be so perfect. But the beauty of all of this, ladies and gents, is the fact that I will have a lace mask. So really, my favorite eyeliner died. Look at that, that looks so sad. It was the Tom Ford, I mean, bitch, it was just the Tom Ford eyeliner, and this shit was the bomb.com, and it was, yes, it's stupid expensive. I know, I get it. I'm spoiled myself, but it was worth it. Okay, so now it's gonna be even more intense, everyone. Excuse me, because I'm using an eyeliner that I'm not really used to. I love this eyeliner, don't get me wrong, but because it's such a thick tip, it is a little bit more difficult to navigate when you're looking for accuracy and precision. Okay, so we're gonna see how this turns out. Best of luck. So I don't know if any of you have hooded eyes such as myself, but if you do, my little tip for kind of working around the hooded lid, not emphasizing it or making it look saggier than it isn't, like just kind of making like the most out of your canvas, I like to start. So you saw I kind of made a very thin line, so when my eye is hooded, you can't really see like the difference, like it's not making an impact, okay, visually. But now that I'm looking to make the tip of it, I'm gonna start navigating so my eyes are rested. I'm not pulling them up or doing any of this weird shit. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna angle my pen and start from the lower lash line right here. And start building out the line as straight as possible. Oh, now, this is where it's gonna be a bitch, because you gotta thicken the line. And that means you have to go against the hood, the curve, which means you have to make the curve not look like a curve. Get what I'm saying? Optical illusion shit going on right now. Wow, that is a nice wing. So once I fill it in, I kind of raise my eyebrow a little bit to see where the marker didn't color because of the hoodedness. And then I kind of just set it down again, and voila, a beautiful eyeliner. Now I don't want to do the other eye because this one's so good. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera because I'm just so nervous. Be right back. And I've made it, everyone. Such a talented young artist that I am. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back and start building out that lower lash line a little bit darker. Woo. Okay, so eye makeup is good for now. We're gonna jump into the concealer and contouring, which again is gonna be very heavy. I'm gonna blend out my concealer real quick. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and set my face under my eyes. I might darken the contour a little bit. Guys, are you proud of me? I'm so proud of how amazing this turned out. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do like an unget ready with me, because the beauty secrets I have, bitches, you will die. Like, they are incredible, life changing. Like, I've convinced 5 people to buy this shit because they saw me and they gave me shit, baby. Like, they were like, okay, you're gonna look like, oh, what the fuck is on your head? All the stuff. What's wrong with you? All the stuff. And then they saw me in the morning. They're like, oh, it works. And I'm like, yeah, it works. I wouldn't look like an this for no reason. Okay, now I'm gonna line my lips with a dark red, and then I'm gonna go over it with a fiery red. No, not again. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera real quick and then figure out what the fuck happened. Bitch. Maggie, you got me some janky ass Christmas present. Oh my goodness, I fixed the light. I got my costume on! It's gonna be so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put my lashes on real quick. Be right back. Okay, so this is the final look with just a deep burgundy red. And again, this is just the cat eye makeup. So you can see a nice thick eyeliner, some sexy lashes, really added depth to the eyes, and also made the color of my lip like a dark burgundy red, but I might spice it up and add some of this red lip too. I'm gonna go put my costume on real quick and then show you the full shebang and then crack the whip. Be right back. Here we go, full attack, Catwoman. And here's my whip that I was telling you about. Bitch, is it broken? It's starting to unravel. So let's see if I can crack this. So yes, this is the Catwoman handmade headband veil with the makeup. As you can tell, it needed to be a little bit more intense. The lashes are getting in the way, guys. It needed to be a little bit more intense so you can see it through the lace. And I have some gloves, just a leather top, and then pants. But yes, this is everything that I have for today's video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. The next one's gonna be fantastic. It is a full ass whole ensemble, a full body makeup, so you are gonna be entertained beyond belief. I've never done anything like this before, so it might be a hot mess, it might not, we will see. Dude, these lashes are too intense. That's all I'm learning. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Again, my name is Monia. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, thanks guys. Happy Halloween.